Recording?
Ready?
Yo.
Pretty close.
That's it.
That was really close.
Let's see the results.
Well, I can't miss the last.
Smile for the camera.
Damn it. The second one was tough. I tried.
You're shooting for that one?
Yeah.
Goddamn. Alrighty. Alright, put it back. Willie,
Yes, sir.
go for that one.
Yes, sir. You got your clip ready?
Yep.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
The other way, Willie, the other way.
There or further?
Whatever, just to see if you feel confident. Remember, it's a little hole to the right. Oh, no.
Push a little harder because you got to aim like diagonal kind of.
You're way off, Willie. Here. Come on, let's do this up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. The other left. The other left.
What are you talking about?
Not bad.
What are you talking about? Look at that shit.
But I'm gonna show you on this side how it's done. Hold this shit.
What do you got to say?
He's
That's
fat.
a good job. There's the beast right there. Oh, you're talking about my target. Oh, I did pretty good.
Yep.
That's Willie right there. I only got one close over here.
That's a cluster of me and Eddie.
Yes, Willie.
That is me, yes, that is me.
What do you got to say, Willie? How do you love it?
Good job, bud.
I'm good.
Further. No, that's good right there.
Yeah, the light. Fucker.
Ooh, almost. Damn.
He did better than me.
Oh, yeah, he landed all 5 shots. That's a hard circle.
Whoop.
Land all 5 shots.
Damn it!
Circle. He did pretty good, though. That
Yeah, it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I did.
Yep.
Not bad.
What do you have to say to the camera?
That shit.